With a number of children being killed on the nation's roads, the government is moving to implement procedures to better protect them. Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucien Jones, says a policy forum has been organized to discuss the issue.
The FIA Foundation, which runs motorsports across the world, has come together with a group called Amend out of Africa, which has gotten commendations from the United Nations and WHO for its work in encouraging and working to have safe travel to schools for our school children. So it's a focus, the policy forum, the workshop, is going to focus on children, and therefore we have invited the Prime Minister, the Minister of Education, and other officials to come and speak. But we are meeting together as people who direct policy.
An international entity will also assess the state of the roads.
An organization called IRAP, which country assigns a star to your roads, whether it's 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and helps you to upgrade your road system so that we can have safe roads on which to travel.